Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Display Repair. The engine oil lubricates the inner parts of your car's engine, so replacing it on time and doing this job properly is crucial. Otherwise, your engine may suffer major damage, which then leads to costly repairs. Here are some things you should consider to avoid this problem, especially if you want to do an oil change on your own. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Not changing the oil on time is by far the most common reason for damaging the engine. Poor maintenance overall is bad for your car, but not changing the engine oil on time is the worst. It is a death sentence for your car's engine even if you buy a new car. Know that oil loses its viscosity and characteristics over time and will eventually stop lubricating properly. In the meantime, sludge will start forming in the engine, causing even more problems. All of this can then cause the engine to eventually seize. The next common mistake when making an oil change is using the wrong type of oil. Each engine has an oil specification stated by the car manufacturer. You can change the brands of the oil, but do not change the specifications. The worst mistakes are mixing mineral and synthetic oil, which will lead to engine failure, but also a mistake is using the oil with the wrong viscosity. Cheap, low-quality oil will ruin your engine. On this part, we would not want to be biased, but it's best to choose oil from renowned manufacturers that guarantee good quality. Again, it is best to use engine oil that the manufacturer suggests or oils of similar quality. Many drivers avoid changing the oil filter together with the oil, although it is one of the cheapest car parts. The oil filter is immensely important. It cleans all debris from the engine oil and protects the engine. If you don't change it on a regular basis, it can get clogged, stop the oil flow, and the engine will get damaged. One more common mistake is pouring too much or too little oil when changing it. Too much oil can damage the catalytic converter, damage various seals on the engine, and utterly cause engine damage. Too little oil will surely cause engine damage after a short time. It will seize, especially if the engine burns oil. Believe it or not, leaving the oil cap loose is one of the most common mishaps regarding this matter. Most people simply forget to tighten it after they finish changing the oil. This can cause a major oil spill after the engine is started, and if it goes unchecked, can cause engine damage due to a low oil level. One more common problem is over-tightening the drain plug. Lots of people do this in fear of it not getting loose by accident. The result of over-tightening in a better case scenario is struggling to release it when the next oil change comes. In the worst case scenario, you have to replace the whole oil sump. The next worst mistake is leaving the drain plug loose, which leads to leaks and eventually total loss of oil. When changing the oil filter, lots of people over-tighten it. This will not cause engine damage, to be honest, but it will be a struggle to unscrew it during the next oil change. Besides this, the seal from the old filter may get stuck on the filter housing and cause problems. But worse than this is leaving the filter loose, which happens almost always by accident. This can cause a major oil spill, and if you don't notice it on time, the engine will suffer damage. You should leave the engine to idle a couple of minutes after the oil change so the new oil can get to all of the crucial inner parts of the engine. Some people tend to immediately rev up the engine after starting. Guess it's for better oil flow, but this can cause engine damage since the engine is not yet properly lubricated. If you have an engine that hasn't had an oil change for a long time or hasn't been running for a long time, it's best to take off the valve cover and make a brief inspection. People think that simply by pouring new engine oil, everything will be just like new. If the engine is poorly maintained, there is a good chance it is filled with gunk and sludge, and a simple oil change will not help. The oil will not flow properly through the engine, and this can cause engine damage. In the end, one more useful tip. Always check for leaks when you're finished with the oil change. Once you're done, start the engine, and while it's idling, check the oil filter and the drain plug for leaks. Also make sure the oil cap is tightened and that the dipstick is properly in place. This way, you'll probably notice any mistake or problem on time and not when driving or when it's too late. Once more, always change your oil on time. It's the cheapest yet most important part of maintenance. So that's it for this time. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.